For decades, we dreamed of it. A boundless digital universe where anything was possible. A metaverse straight out of science fiction. Then, a few years ago, one man dared to stake his entire empire on it. Mark Zuckerberg. He envisioned a future where our lives, work, play, and connection would seamlessly transition into his vast, interconnected digital world. What went wrong? But what if the truth behind this grand vision is far more complex and frankly a little uncomfortable? What if the metaverse he's building isn't the future we were promised, and the real revolution in AR, VR is happening elsewhere? Let's be blunt, Mark Zuckerberg's gamble on the metaverse has been nothing short of monumental. Since Meta's rebrand and intensified focus on this vision, their Reality Labs division, the engine of their metaverse dream, has accumulated staggering operating losses, well over $42 billion as of early 2024. That's more money than some entire country's GDP. While Zuckerberg preaches a future of seamless digital interaction, the current reality for many has been clunky avatars, glitchy experiences, and empty virtual rooms. This isn't the fluid integrated future we saw in Ready Player One. It raises a crucial question: is this just a necessary, painful investment in a distant future, or a massive miscalculation? The corporate hype machine has been relentless. From virtual concerts to NFT galleries, we were told the metaverse would be the next iteration of the internet. Yet for the average person, what exactly are we doing in it? Gaming? Certainly. But beyond that? The applications often feel forced, the hardware expensive, and the user experience, frankly, unconvincing for daily life. For years, the narrative pushed by Meta focused on a singular, unified digital world, often with their own proprietary ecosystem at its core. But the uncomfortable truth is, the most compelling progress in immersive tech today isn't necessarily happening inside Meta's grand metaverse vision. At least, not yet. It's happening in quieter, more practical corners. While the world debated the social metaverse, the true transformative power of augmented and virtual reality has been quietly revolutionizing critical industries. In healthcare, VR is training surgeons, helping therapists treat PTSD, and even managing chronic pain. In education, immersive VR experiences are transporting students to ancient Rome or inside the human body, making learning unforgettable. For productivity, imagine a virtual office with infinite monitors accessible from anywhere. For design and engineering, AR allows instant visualization of complex models for the real world. This is not about escaping reality, it's about enhancing it. These are applications driven by tangible value, solving real-world problems, rather than simply offering a new way to socialize with cartoon avatars. This isn't just AR or VR. It's the dawn of spatial computing, a future where digital information isn't confined to flat screens, but seamlessly integrates with our physical environment. Imagine walking down the street and your smart glasses display real-time navigation, or identify the plants you're looking at, or even translate a foreign sign instantly. While Meta's metaverse narrative might have muddied the waters, their hardware contributions, particularly with the Quest line and the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, are pushing the technology forward. They are building some of the foundational components, even if the grand vision built on top of those components might be misguided or simply premature. So, the truth about Mark Zuckerberg's metaverse? It's a colossal, expensive experiment with a singular social focus that hasn't yet delivered on its grandest promises. But don't let the hype or the setbacks blind you to the real revolution unfolding in AR and VR. This technology is already here, changing lives and building a truly mind-bending future. It just might not be the future that Mark Zuckerberg wants us all to live in. The story of immersive tech is far from over, and its most impactful chapters are still being written by all of us. What do you think? Is the metaverse here? Have you tried VR or AR for work or learning? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the tech that's changing your world.